Our next preparation is from haloalkanes or alkyl halides. So you can say it is alkyl halide. So in previous reaction also we have seen how alkyl halide is converted to the primary amine via nitrile. So when it is treated with potassium cyanide. Here another route we are going to discuss how alkyl halide is converted to the primary amine. So you can use concentrated ammonia. So this ammonia you are using. You can see here there is a lone pair over nitrogen. So this is acting as a nucleophile, and just like nucleophilic substitution reaction, it is SN2 reaction taking place. Now see here, if it is SN2 reaction, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this pair is utilized to form bond with this R, and because of this nitrogen is forming bond with this R and X is removed. X, if this bond pair is going on X, it will become negative, and if this lone pair is used to form bond with this R, it becomes positive. So positively charged nitrogen is called ammonium, and X is now forming ion pair with this positively charged nitrogen. So this compound is called alkyl ammonium halide. So this salt is produced. But when you are using ammonia in excess, this ammonia now acting as a base, and it is going to remove one hydrogen from this salt. So when one hydrogen is removed from this salt, it becomes NH4, and again this positive charge is developed over this nitrogen, because here this lone pair is utilized to join hydrogen which is taken from this salt. Now X will change its position from this compound to this ammonium, and we get here ammonium salt, another ammonium salt. And since one hydrogen is removed from this compound, from this salt, it is converted to the primary amine. So in this way you can convert alkyl halide into primary amine in presence of excess of concentrated ammonia. Or you can do one more thing, you can add alkali NaOH in next step. This NaOH is again this is a base, strong base. It is removing this proton which is removed in this route by the ammonia. Now you can use a hydroxyl group to remove this proton. So if this OH is removing this proton, we get here water, and this becomes NH2. So we get our primary amine, and X is now going to join with this sodium to form NaX. So in this way you can produce primary amine either by using excess concentrated ammonia, or you can use sodium hydroxide in the second step. Only drawback of this reaction is you cannot stop this reaction at this stage if ammonia is taken or both are in large excess. See the route, see the another possible reactions which are taking place during this synthesis are Rx is converted to the primary amine, we have seen up to this, but this is again acting as a nucleophile, and if this is treated with Rx, so Rx is also available in the reaction medium. So by following this route, it is converted to the secondary amine, and then secondary amine again reacting with this new molecule of alkyl halide, because it is again acting as a nucleophile, and it is converted to the tertiary amine by following this route. In this case, this route is followed. Now tertiary amine is again acting as a nucleophile and reacting with alkyl halide, and it is converted to the quaternary ammonium salt, which is not amine. So in this way, if you are using this route, the alkyl halide is converted to the quaternary ammonium salt, and it is very difficult to stop that reaction in between. But I think the problem is this route is followed when more easily when these alkyl, this R is a smaller one. If this is bulkier one, then this is very difficult to form secondary and tertiary amine because of steric hindrance. So I have given here one more example. Actually, this was the general consideration. Now one example is given here, bromomethane or methyl bromide. Now it is treated with ammonia and form this salt, methyl ammonium bromide. And when this is treated with sodium hydroxide, this OH will remove 1H to produce water, and then there is a formation of CS3NH2 along with water, and Na will combine with Br to get NaBr. In this way you can prepare a primary amine from the alkyl halide or haloalkane.